Yo, what up, peeps? Your boy here again, you know, it's a boy Lollipop, you see me? Today I have a video. This video, kind of really heightened my level of, I would say, awareness when it comes on to giving things, because a lot of times I'm not going to use this one example to, or this one situation to judge everyone, but this have a lot to say about, like, you know, people in general, you see me? Because especially, yeah, I'm gonna, you know, talk bad about my one people, but you know, most Jamaican people, yeah, if you don't give them like money and them thing they for Christmas or a phone and thing, them normally appreciate it. If you give them a cologne or something, they'll be like, yo, you couldn't give me this, or you couldn't give me that, or you couldn't, you know, they must say thank you, I really appreciate it. Not all, just some. Alright, so this video, I seem like, based on the video, it seemed like, said the brother, yo, you know what, I didn't even have to talk too much about the video. Check out the video because it's just a little, what you call it now, it's a little disturbing in a certain way. Check it out.
Hello? You see it right in front of you?
Wet man for the wet girl.
Atida!
Wow.
What do you mean? What do you mean Atida? No, that's a car. What's your problem?
Atida? This is...
Oh my god.
Wait, hold up. This is mine? Like,
It's yours. Like...
this is not even new!
Jano, I really can't really watch anymore of this video. I mean, it seems very simple, but you have to understand that gift is from the heart. You see me? Gift is from the heart, and if this brother or who's to buy this car, then probably spend 4 or 5 paycheck to get this vehicle. Then probably eat the ramen noodle or chicken back and dumpling or whatever. Not like me say chicken back and dumpling bad because I know for chicken back and dumpling me eat. But this person probably spend a lot of money to get that the old car that she had, this, you see me? And she don't really appreciate it. And I don't know what brand the car that is, but it's a car. I know when I go, I don't have no car. You see me? So this person, shame on them. Because as I said, a lot of these people glamorize things on social media. And everything them see on social media, them think, okay, that's what they want. Yo, it's not real. Social media is not real. People spend hours and minutes just to take a photo, to post on the internet, to get likes. You see me? So, you know, this is just a terrible situation, and you know, I feel really bad for the person who is trying to help this up. You know, it's okay for me to call her an idiot, you know, and give him a gift because it just backfire right in them face. You see me? So, yeah, this is just bad, and I hope she feel really, really bad after that when this surfaced all over the internet because, yeah, as I said, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. So, that's all I have to say. You know, sometimes we have to be careful how we give things because sometimes it turn around to haunt us. You know, and this is a prime example of what giving, you know, something to someone who does not appreciate your hard earning, you know, whatever it may be. And yeah, that's it. Alright, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. I don't care where you share it to. I don't care. Just share it. Like it. You see me? Lollipop, you don't know. Your boy. Peace out.